Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make egg drop curry. In Goa, we call it Antyanchi Kodi. So it's a very simple recipe. You can try this at home and you can get this right. For that, what I've taken is I've taken 5 eggs, which recipe I'm going to show for only 5 eggs. 120 grams of grated coconut. Then I need onion, which is 1 medium, and tomato, 1 small chopped and kept. Also what I need is Kashmiri red chilies, which I've taken 4, which gives you a better red color. Then garlic, 6 cloves, turmeric half a teaspoon, cumin 1 teaspoon, whole cumin, coriander seed is 1 tablespoon. Then I have tamarind 20 grams and green chili, which gives you a better flavor. I've taken 2 slit and kept. So let's start with the cooking process now. So now our next step is you need to grind all the ingredients except for onion, tomato and green chili. Turmeric powder, cumin, coriander, tamarind and chilies. Now add sufficient water and grind to make it fine paste. Now add oil, keep the pan hot, saute onion, let it saute for a while. Keep the flame on medium. Once the onion is sauteed well, add tomato and saute it for a while, at least for 2 minutes. So guys, once onion and tomato is ready, add masala to that. Add green chili and sufficient amount of water and let it simmer for a while. Also add salt and mix it well before adding eggs to that. When you add eggs, keep them separately. Don't place it on the same place. And let this simmer for a while till the eggs are cooked. Guys, one thing to keep in mind, don't stir it. Now you cannot stir them because you will mix and it will become like a scrambled egg. So do not mix them now. Let it simmer as it is. Guys, check this out. This has been simmering for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Now the eggs are ready. I'm going to turn off the flame. Check this out first. This is how egg curry is made. Follow each and every step and you can make this at home. It's a very simple recipe, quick one. Try this, follow each and every step. Share it with your friends and family as well. Check this out. How lovely. You don't have to add anything extra as I've shown. Follow the steps. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and this is ready to be served now.